I've been wanting a small little ratcheting screwdriver set like this for a while, so I was super happy when I was sent this in exchange for this video. And the cool thing about this is that not only is it flexible in terms of how many different things you can put on the end, but everything's magnetic, so everything just kind of sticks in place very, very well for you. That's super nice. And also, if you are in a tight space and need just a really thin, low profile screwdriver, this is great. I mean, it's so adaptable in so many different situations. So yeah, I'm really looking forward to using this. I'm going to check it out a little bit right now. So if for demonstration purposes you had a screw in a hard to reach place, then you could put this in and ratchet it, unlike a screwdriver. Or to screw it in, you would just go the other way. You'd flip that thing around and go the other way. And this thing can be, like I said, put together in many different ways. So you could actually extend this even further if you wanted to and have more like a traditional screwdriver or traditional ratchet. So yeah, various ways that you can put this together. And like I said, it comes with all kinds of attachments, and they're all labeled on there really, really well. So you can see exactly what they are. And they're all magnetic. Super useful for making your ratchet set or screwdriver set however you like it. So yeah, I'm definitely going to find some use out of this. Comes in a nice container too. Easy for storage. I like it. If you'd like to purchase it, there's a link in the description. We get a small commission and it would really help us out. Hey, my name's Chris, and with my wife Abby's help, we're on a quest to review literally everything.
They tell me that I'm